first I want to start off with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. It's a really light shade, and I like starting off with a really light shade on my lids, so the colors can be like really vibrant. And yeah. So the main palettes we're going to be using today is the Morphe 12P. It's just a really colorful, like really good palette. And also I'm going to be using the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. Oh my god, this is probably my most favorite palette I have in my makeup collection. For our first color that we're going to put down, it's going to be yellow, and I like mixing the yellow that's in the Juvia's Place and the yellow that's in the 12P palette together, and I really love it. Like I was saying, by not setting your lid with powder, it's really gonna make the colors really vibrant, and that's what I like about that technique.
It really helps a lot.
Okay, after that I'm gonna take the green, this lighter green here, and I'm gonna pick it up on the same brush. You see how pigmented that is? It's a good palette right there. And then I'm just gonna tap it on. I'm trying to blend it out on the top. But just keep packing it on until you get like the desired green that you want. Okay, now this is what you want to do with an eye look like this. You're gonna want to, like, I started with the yellow, then I put the green, but then I want to go back to the yellow to kind of like merge these two colors together, and it's not such like a harsh line in between them. And then I'm gonna want to put the yellow right on top of the green again, and just blend those two together so it's not such a harsh line in between them. You just want the colors to like flow. Oh, my nose itches. You want the colors to flow together. And then after the green, and then the next color we're going to be taking, it's going to be a blue. I'm just going to use this really bright, beautiful blue from the Zulu palette. I'm going to take like a flat brush, a flat like blending brush, and I'm really going to pack on the blue, and I'm just going to pat that right next to the green. Now you're just going to want to blend the blue and the green together. Again, I'm going to go back to the first brush that I used. I just got blue all on my shirt. I'm going to go back with that green and put it on top of the blue and kind of blend those two together again. So once it's like that, you then want to go in with a purple. So I'm going to take the purple from the Zulu palette and the Morphe. I like mixing them because they're two different formulas, and I kind of like the way the Zulu palette performs better than the 12P. So it's kind of like the best of both worlds, you know what I mean? So I'm just going to take the purple gonna pack it on there right next to the blue. Now I'm gonna take a bright pink and now I'm gonna blend out that purple. I'm gonna really smoke it out, really blend out the edges of that purple. And bring the pink up here. Pull the pink down to like your bottom lash line and also like blend it above these colors so they all like blend into the pink, if you know what I mean. Back in with the purple because I feel like I kind of lost it when I blended out the pink. So now I'm going to go back with that purple and pack some more on. And go back with the pink and blend it out. Now I'm going to get a fluffy blending brush. This is just a Wet n Wild blending brush that I got from H-E-B. And then I'm going to pick up this orange shade right here. And I'm going to further start blending the pink with the orange and bring the orange all the way up here. The orange isn't really gonna, you're not really gonna see the orange that much, but I still want it there. I want to go back in with the pink again and add some more. I'm starting to pull the pink up here because I don't want like this negative space right here. So I want the pink to show through up here too. I kind of go back, I go back to pink and then orange when I'm blending out the crease because I want y'all to be able to see both of the colors, not just one of them. This right here pretty much sums up the eyelid and how the eyelid is supposed to look. So like I said, I went in with the yellow, went in with green, blue, purple, blended out the purple with the pink, and then I added some orange. Now I'm gonna wipe away the fallout on the bottom of my eye and we're gonna get started on the bottom lash line. I'm gonna start off with putting some purple on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm gonna pick up a BH Cosmetics number 5 brush. Now I'm just gonna blend out the purple really far down. Okay, now that I have the purple blended out, I'm going to then take blue. Oh yeah, I'm really sick too, guys. That's why I keep sniffling and stuff. But I'm gonna go in with the blue color now. Any blue color, it doesn't matter. And I'm gonna run that on my bottom lash line in the middle. I'm gonna take a flat brush and pick up that yellow. And I'm just gonna pack it on the inner corner of my eye. So this pretty much sums up our colorful smoky eye, and I'm just gonna finish the other one off camera just so it could be quicker. Yeah, I'm back from doing the other eye, and I kind of already just put on liner and lashes because it was just gonna take too long. But for lashes, I'm using the Kiss lashes in the style 01.
And these are my favorite so far. These are so dramatic and so wispy. Like, look how big they are. I love them. Now for bronzer and blush, I'm going to be using my Busted and Crusted Pro Fusion Blush and Contour palette. I like packing on the blush. And I like using a really rosy pink for my blush, just because it makes me look, it doesn't make me look so dead, you know what I mean? Like, look how busted and crusted this thing is. Yeah. This is what I use for blush. Can you tell which one's my favorite? Yeah, you'll never know. But yes, this has been my go-to for years. Go. And contouring and blush is done. Now it's time for my favorite part, highlight. Everybody's favorite part, really. For highlight, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Pro HD highlighting palette. I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics No. 4 highlighting brush, and I'm going to do a mixture of this one, and this one. First I'm going to highlight my nose, and then my chin, and then now to get my cheek highlight, I'm going to wet my brush with my Mario Badescu spray. It's with rose water. It's my favorite. It's my favorite setting spray. Now I'm just going to wet my brush, pick up some of the highlight, and then place it on my cheeks. I love it. I believe this is only like $20. $20 at Ulta. Yeah, $20 at Ulta. And I like doing highlight like on the tip of my cheek, so when I smile, you can see it. I like doing that too. But yeah, after I do all that, now it's time to spritz my face with setting powder. Like in the original photo, I used like a grayish lipstick. It was a matte or a satin lip from ColourPop. I don't know the name exactly, but I'll link it down below. But for today, I'm going to be using Matte Beauty 69 by Milani, because I kind of just want to keep it simple. And those are the lips all done. I really hope y'all understood like me explaining it and everything, but I really hope it helped. And if y'all recreate this look, please let me know. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below on how you like about, on how much you liked this look, and if it helped you out. And it would really help if you would really subscribe and keep checking out my videos. Thank you so much for watching.